Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my top 5 decks of 2017. I told you all on my first video of the 31 Days of Tarot, I hope I never buy 5 decks in a year. Well, I have to eat a little bit of crow. I'm afraid to say I actually did purchase 5 decks since September of 2017. So, oh no. I'm like, uh-oh. One of them was gifted to me though. So I will show you my, well, 1, 2, 3. Actually, I got 6. Okay. One of my favorites, and I haven't had a chance to trim it, but it will get trimmed, is the Druid Craft. Looks like this is shiny. Let me turn it. Ah, there we go. Druid Craft Tarot. Yes, the good, wonderful, lovely. I love this Druid Craft. It's just beautiful. And then one I actually purchased. Ones I purchased is, and I love this deck, but I don't know if I got a bad copy or if you guys' camera brings out the colors. And this is thanks to Jennifer Ball. This is the Spirit Song Tarot. I love this deck. I love the card stock. I love the pictures. But the colors need to be a lot deeper. I have a lot of trouble seeing what's on the cards because the color is so low. They're pastel, but they're like barely pastel. It's like you can't see them. What would be nice, this would be a deck where I would go through and color it if I had nothing better to do. So that's the Spirit Song Tarot. I haven't worked with it like I thought I would though. But it's a good deck. And then of course my favorite deck is, oh well, it's not my favorite, but I love this. I'm in love with this deck. The Wildwood Tarot. And I got a question for you guys. I do pick a card 1, 2, 3, 4 when I have a chance to do readings, and I got 280 some odd views, no comments. What is that? Alrighty. So the Wildwood Tarot, because I'm not supposed to have this very long if I can help it. Let's see. And then of course a deck I never thought I would really be interested in purchasing, but I did, and I have worked with it some, is the Hidden Realms Tarot. I enjoy this. It's really a deep, contemplating deck. I never thought I would like a deck with faces, but this one really speaks to me in ways I didn't expect. And then of course is the, are you ready for it? Eveline, the Everyday Witches Tarot. And I just love the artwork on this deck. I love the imagery. I love the way, I love the clear and concise readings. Like, you can't get much better than this. I love the animals in the deck, the cats, the familiars all over the place, the crows that are flying. It's just such a beautiful upside down. This is one of my favorite cards right here. I just love it. Look at all those crows flying around on the ace. I mean on the swords. It's just really a divine deck. What can I say? It is a divine deck. Well thought out and beautiful artwork. Okay. And then I'll save that for tomorrow. Or is it today? That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed. Over and out.